dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. So, dear students, today let we start GK Unit 6, Sports, Entertainment and Leisure, Chapter number 35, Ice Ice Baby. So, what is it? Some sports are played online, some on water, and some on ice. So, here are some images of ice sports. Okay, so use the code table to find the names of these ice sports. Write the names in the boxes below each image. Okay, so let me start. First one is skiing. S-K-I-I-N-G. S-K-I-I-N-G. Next one, number 2 is ice hockey. Ice hockey. Number 3, luge. L-U-G-E. Next, number 4 is curling. C-U-R-L-I-N-G. Number 5, tobogganing. T-O-B-O-G-G-A-N-I-N-G. Number 6, the last one is skating. S-K-A-T-I-N-G. Skating. Okay? So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 36. Places of entertainment. Read the clues and write the names. Okay. Number 1, a place where we can find a large collection of objects of scientific, historical and artistic importance. Museum. Number 2, it is a huge room with a stage where the audience can see performances much like a theater. Auditorium. This is auditorium. Number 3, a park where the public can see different kinds of animals in closed cages. Zoo. Number 4, a venue where people can see movies or films on a large projection screen. Cinema hall. Okay? So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 37. Let's play music. Here are pictures of some musical instruments. Write the correct letter code against each picture. Okay. First one. This is harmonium. G. Harmonium. Number 2. E. Tanpura. This is Tanpura. 3. Guitar. F. This is guitar. 4 is D. Trumpet. 5. Drum. H. Six. Violin. C option. 7 piano option B. And 8 option A tabla. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 38 is fantastic singers. A singer is a person who sings songs, specially trained or professional vocalist. So here are the pictures of some of the famous singers of the world. Take the help of the clue box to write their names. 1. She is the singer from Canada who sang My Heart Will Go On for the movie Titanic. She is Celine Dion. Number 2. An extremely popular Indian playback singer who was idolized during his lifetime, Mohammed Rafi. Number 3. She is a famous female playback singer of India, Shreya Ghoshal. Number 4. He is known as the king of pop, Michael Jackson. Number 5. She is recognized as the world's top selling recording artist by the Guinness World Records, Madonna. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 39. Famous fables. A fable is a story with a moral. The main characters in a fable are usually animals through whom we learn the difference between right and wrong, and also the values of friendship, knowledge, confidence, and hard work. So, three of the most famous books of fables are Jataka Tales, Panchtantra, and Aesop's Fables. Match the fable with the moral by writing numbers. Okay. Number 1. The Ant and the Grasshopper. The Ant and the Grasshopper 1. Work hard today and you can reap the benefits tomorrow. Number 2. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. This. Once you tell a lie, people will never believe you. 3. The Crow and the Pitcher. Lose it all. The Crow and the Pitcher. Okay, प्यासे कौवे की स्टोरी है ये. Where there is a will, there is a way. 3. The wolf in sheep's clothing. If you do wrong, you will always get caught. अगर आप कुछ गलत करोगे हमेशा पकड़े जाओगे. Fine. The tortoise and the hare. Slow and steady wins the race. 6. The fox and the grapes. It's easy to despise what you cannot have. 7. The greedy man who lost the golden axe. If you are too greedy, you will lose it all. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 40. Common places. Fill in the blanks by picking out suitable words from the clue box. 1. A dash is a place where babies are looked after while the parents are at work. This is creche. Number 2. A dash is a large sports field surrounded by seats and spectators. Stadium. Number 3. A dash is a place where aeroplanes land and take off. Airport. Number 4. A dash is a place where people stay for a short time in exchange for payment. Hotel. Hotel. Number 5. A dash is a place where one can buy and eat a meal. Restaurant. Number 6. A dash is a place where young plants and trees are grown for sale. Nursery. Number 7. A dash is a place where we learn to read and write. School. Number 8. A dash is a place where books, journals, magazines and newspapers are kept. Library. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 41. Fun zone. Take write the correct answer. Question number 1. Which tree gives out the maximum oxygen? People. 2. Which plant is called the morning star and also the evening star? Venus. Number 3. How many digits are there in a pin code? 6. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a classical dance? Garba. 5. Which city is called the city of the Golden Temple? Amritsar. Question number 6. Who is a heart specialist? Cardiologist. Number 7. Who discovered America? Columbus. Number 8. Who wrote the stories of Panchtantra? Vishnu Sharma. Question number 9. Which letter of the English alphabet occurs last often in writing? Z. Question number 10. Which is the world's largest computer network? Internet. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 42. Signs of instructions. At public places such as airports, bus stations, railway stations, markets, malls, etc., you might have seen many directional signs, information signs, and regulatory help and safety signs. These signs are a great way to provide the important information that is required. Some of them are given below. Number 1 is, this sign is a warning of danger. Always keep away from the places that have this sign. Also remember not to touch anything marked with this sign. Danger. Number 2. This sign is seen on things that can be recycled. It shows that the item can be used again to make new products. Number 3. This sign indicates that you should use dustbins to throw waste. It reminds you to keep your surroundings clean. Number 4. You will see this sign near schools. It warns vehicles to slow down as children may be crossing the road. Next one. Number 5. This is the exit sign. It tells us where the doors are located. Number 6. This sign shows that the place is safe and accessible for people using a wheelchair. Now, can you match the following road signs with what they say? Okay. Parking. This area is for parking. Number 1. Number 2, you have to stop here. Number 3, no horn please. Number 4, this is the place to safely cross the road. Number 5, you can get food here. And number 6, the toilets are here. Dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 43. National sports. So children, each country has its special sports connected to its culture and lifestyle. Our national sport is considered to be an intrinsic part of the culture of a nation. So names of some sports are given below. Write the name of the country which represents each sports. So let we start. Number 1, cricket. England. Next, number 2, baseball, USA. Number 3, volleyball is Sri Lanka. Number 4, ice hockey in Canada. Okay, Canada. Number 5, bullfighting, Spain. Next, number 6, Kung Fu in China. Next, number 7, Sumo wrestling, Japan. Number 8, Taekwondo, South Korea. Number 9, Kabaddi, Bangladesh. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 44. Chapter number 44, Dance India Dance. India has many dances, some of which are performed solo, while others are performed in groups. Dancers wear beautiful costumes and ornaments. Here are images of the 8 classical dances of India. So read the information in the box and try to identify the dance from using the help box. So number 1, this is a storytelling dance from North India. Both men and women perform it. So it is Kathak. Number 2, from Tamil Nadu, this dance was originally a temple dance only for women, Bharatnatyam. Number 3, with this dance from Assam, you can hear drums, flutes and cymbals. Okay. Number 3, with this dance from Assam, You can hear drums, flutes, and cymbals. Bihu. Number 4, dancers wear lots of makeup. The good characters have green painted faces. The evil ones are red. Kathakali. Number 5, this dance from Manipur is usually about Lord Krishna and his life. Manipuri dance. Number 6, only women perform this dance. From Kerala, they usually wear white sari. Mohiniyattam. Number 7, this dance is from Andhra Pradesh. Sometimes the dancer holds a plate with two diyas burning. Kuchipudi. Number 8, the dancers of this ancient dance from Odisha were beautiful silver jewelry. Odissi. So my dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.